I've been a creator for a few years now. I started out with photography, but more recently I've been making videos as well. I'm nowhere near satisfied, and I probably never will be, but I want more. I want to create videos that inspire me and captivate me, and hopefully you. So what's stopping me? Probably the same thing that's stopping a lot of you. Fear. Fear of failure, fear of embarrassment, fear of caring what others will think, fear that what I create won't be good enough, that it won't be as good as Peter McKinnon or Casey Neistat, Kelly Wakasa, or Colt Kerwin. So I go on, consuming other people's content, watching, scrolling, liking, commenting, spiraling down this eternal hole of not actually creating anything myself while desperately searching for inspiration from these other creators, hoping that I'll find the thing that makes it all click for me. Yet here I am at the bottom of that hole, looking up to see my new beginning. A beginning where I let go of those fears and start creating more than I'm consuming. Becoming my own inspiration so I don't look back on my life in 30 years from now and wonder why I didn't just start, why I didn't just create.